just a minute.
Man, I missed the race because I was on the phone with my brother. But dude, you know your lap times are? Is it impressive? Bruh. I got the whole thing on really cool. Really what's happening. Oh, crap. That's not a possible to get by. You know, no, yeah. Dog. Fuck. I can't wait to run. These tires are superior. Bruh. Yeah. Bro, it felt like I could drag elbow. Dude, you been wall to wall. Wall to wall. Bruh, I was on it, dog. Bruh. Man, god damn it. I can't wait till next race.
Hey.
Man, these tires are something else, dude.
Yeah? It's different compound or what?
No. It's taller, but you can turn more. So I'm going into the corner.
Yeah.
And I can get on the power earlier.
Okay, gotcha.
So I got more contact, so I'm like on the throttle.
Sooner, yeah.
Man, god damn. Fuck.
That hyped up now.
Hey, bro.
Looks like a pretty good start for the second row. I think that might have been Lewis Ortiz.
Oh shit. Man, Josh, his game second.
I think it might have been too good a start,
Bro,
but we'll see.
That shit gonna get 1,000 likes, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, that shit was wheel to wheel, 6 laps, bro. Battle, 6 laps. Motherfucker gonna be engaged, like, ooh. Bruh. 203? And dude, I feel like I could have ran like 201. Consistent. Oh, it was consistent. Boom. Free. God damn.
I can't do next race at all, man.
Man, I think Wayne in this race. Yeah. I'm gonna go watch that shit. Yeah. Man, bro. That shit was so fucking fun, dude. Me and that dude battling. Bruh. I'm up, man. I'm gonna fall down. I got 2 stars, dude.
seconds faster than the rider in second place on that lap. Parker Meyer running second, Lucas Cantrelli running third. So that's the front of this one, but man, Lucas Ortiz jumped out in front from the second row and not looking back. He's got a big gap between himself and the second place rider. Let's